Declaration of the Rights of Man and of the Citizen. On August 26, 1789, at the height of the French Revolution's fervor, the National Constituent Assembly approved the final version of the Declaration of the Rights of Man and of the Citizen, a document that would become the cornerstone of modern democracy and universal human rights. Drafted with the direct influence of the Marquis de Lafayette and in consultation with Thomas Jefferson, then American ambassador in Paris, the Declaration broke radically with the legal tradition of the ancient regime. It established that rights were not privileges granted by a king or determined by social class of birth, nobility or clergy, but rather natural, inalienable, and sacred rights inherent to all human beings. Article 1. Men are born and remain free and equal in rights. Dismantled Europe's feudal structure. The text guaranteed fundamental freedoms such as freedom of religion, of expression, the free communication of thoughts and opinions, and the presumption of innocence. In addition to defining that sovereignty resides essentially in the nation, and not in the monarch. Although revolutionary, the document of August 26 had clear historical limitations. Equality did not include women, which led Olympe de Gouges to write an ironic response later, and ignored slavery in the French colonies. Even so, its universalist language transcended France's borders, inspiring liberal revolutions around the world and serving as a direct basis for the UN Universal Declaration of Human Rights in 1948. The approval of this text marked the historic transition from royal subjects, who merely obeyed, to citizens, who possessed rights and participated in the state. Leave a comment if you liked it. Give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to our channel. Every day there's a new video for you.